Laying low, no place to go.
Won't they even at least first of all look at the person in question? Why would they see you and then think you're a witch? Just like that. But before you make a decision, you would be informed. You would investigate and do the right thing. I'm here now.
Hi guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel again. Talk with Presh, it's your favorite girl, and today's movie is Here to Be Human. Now you can watch this movie at Ruth Kadiri 247. The movie stars Deza the Great, Okozawa Shanzei, and Obi Etuk. Now, as I always say, I give you movies with lessons, and this movie has 4 basic lessons. Number one, I always say, know God for yourself. It is very important. Don't allow wicked people who cloak in the guise of religious leaders rule you, because they have ruined many lives and many families. Second lesson is be a good person with a good heart. Don't hurt people because of what people say. You didn't experience the wickedness for yourself. So don't hurt good people because of what you heard people say. Now, thirdly, forgiveness is key to happiness and stability. And the fourth lesson is one man's meat is another man's poison. What you say is poison to you is meat to another person. And what you say is meat to you can also be poison to another person. Thank you guys for listening this far. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. As I would always say, subscription is totally free. Thank you to the 500 subscribers and counting. Like, this is so amazing. I never imagined this channel will grow this far. Thank you, thank you, thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking my videos very much. I really do appreciate. Please don't forget to continue liking, sharing, and subscribing my content. For advert placements and collaborations, we're also open to them. Okay, thank you very much. Bye.